Hi English 101 students, welcome to week 2. This week you'll be introduced to the summary and paraphrase unit. Specifically, I want you to watch this video lecture on summary and paraphrase where I explain the difference between the two. In a summary, you summarize a longer piece of work, such as a movie, okay? A 2-hour movie, you maybe summarize it when you get home and tell your brother, your sister, your parents about what it was about. But you don't talk about it for 2 hours, right? You just talk about it for a minute or two. So you take a long piece of work and you condense it to something much smaller. A paraphrase is when you paraphrase a shorter piece of work into something that's almost the same length. So for example, you'll summarize an entire movie and you'll paraphrase a scene from that movie, okay? So watch the video lecture on summary and paraphrase where I go over both of those. And also, you have a discussion board on summary, which is due on Wednesday. I want you to summarize your favorite television show or movie. Now remember to remain objective, which means don't say my favorite show is this or my favorite movie is this and I like it because. Just give me the facts. What is it about? Okay? Very objective. All right? In the most objective way possible. That's what a summary does. It's very objective. And Wednesday, you have a video lecture on the during reading, just where I cover some of the tactics you might want to employ while you're reading an article. And the first article you'll be reading this semester is Barbara Einreich's It is Expensive to be Poor, which you notice is right here. Okay? So you want to read that article and pay special attention to where her thesis statement is. Her thesis is located in the very last paragraph of her article, okay? So your next paper, you'll actually be summarizing her thesis statement at the very beginning and then providing some key points from her article in your summary paragraph. And you'll notice that we have the summary essay instructions located right here. Now you'll be summarizing her article, okay? And then paraphrasing the 5th paragraph from her article and then providing me with an evaluation of her article where you just tell me what you thought of it. Okay, so 3 paragraphs total, a summary, a paragraph, a paraphrase, and an evaluation. 3 paragraphs. And you'll notice all that will be discussed in the summary instructions video lecture. So make sure you watch that a couple times. Okay? If you have any questions this week, I will have office hours on Wednesday from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. The link is just above this video announcement. Swing on by if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. Take care.